least 5 people were killed in a major blast at a railway quarry site that shook Karnataka's Shivamogga town on Thursday night. The blast was heard across Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa's home district at around 10:30 p.m. According to news agency PTI, the possibility of subsequent explosions at the quarry at Hunasundu near village Abbalagire has not been ruled out since some dynamite sticks are still live. Police and district administration are at the spot and inspected the blast site.
Preliminarily observed that some explosives are stocked here. It was parked in a static vehicle here, and in this lies as the crusher unit, which is located in the safe zone. But still, why this explosive was brought here? What is the purpose for it? Everything is under investigation. The police has already started their investigation. Definitely, they have achieved certain progress. But since it is an investigation matter, I cannot divulge much on that information.
Forensic team from Bengaluru has reached Shivamogga and are collecting samples from the blast site. According to police, core area is still isolated. Police are yet to ascertain the damage and the exact reason behind the blast. Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa has ordered a high-level probe into the incident. Rural Development and Panchayat Raj Minister K.S. Ishwarappa visited the blast site and said such incident has never taken place before.
ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಇತಿಹಾಸದಲ್ಲೇ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಭಾರಿ ಸ್ಫೋಟ ಶಬ್ದ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಮೊದಲನೇ ಬಾರಿ. ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗದಲ್ಲಂತೂ ಹುಟ್ಟು ಬೆಳೆದವರು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಂಥ ಸ್ಫೋಟಕ ಶಬ್ದವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೇಳಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಲ್ಲರದ್ದು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಶ್ನಾರ್ಥಕ ಚಿಹ್ನೆ. ಇದು ಜೆಲಿಟಿನ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರನೇ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ, ಕೇಪ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ, ಭೂಕಂಪ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ, ಏನೇ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಹತ್ತತ್ರ 100 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಶಬ್ದ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋಂಥ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Ishwarappa also said that the mining was done legally and the cause of blast is yet to be ascertained.
ಈ ಗಣಿಗಾರಿಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಕಲ್ಲು ಕ್ವಾರಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಅಕ್ರಮ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಸಕ್ರಮವೇ. ಆದರೆ ಅಕ್ರಮವೋ ಸಕ್ರಮವೋ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬೇರೆ. ಅಕ್ರಮ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸಕ್ರಮ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸ್ಫೋಟ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು, ಇದು ಏನು ಕತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವರದಿ ಬಂದ ನಂತರನೇ, ತನಿಖೆ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏಕೆಂತಂದರೆ ಈ ಸ್ಫೋಟ ಹೇಗಾಯಿತು, ತುಂಬ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಇದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇದು ಸಕ್ರಮವಾಗಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರೋಂಥ ಗಣಿಗಾರಿಕೆ ಕ್ವಾರಿ ಕೆಲಸಗಳಾದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದಾಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇದನ್ನು ತಜ್ಞರು ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಿಖೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದ್ರ ವರದಿ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ನಂತರ ಮುಂದಿನ ಏನೇನು ಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಖಂಡಿತ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಗೋತೀವಿ.
Home Minister Baswaraj Bommai also visited the spot and said that police have already arrested quarry owner.
Yesterday there was a blast in one of the quarries in Shivamogga. At the outset, it seems that lot of quantity of dynamite has been exploded there, and there has been a kind of a negligence on the quarry owner and the operators there, and it all depends on the quality of the dynamite which is supplied. Therefore, police have already arrested the quarry owner and the man who has supplied the dynamite also. So all the inquiry is going on, and once the preliminary report comes, we are going to do a high-level inquiry on that.
The explosion occurred at around 10:30 p.m. and the sound was heard in the Shivamogga city, neighbouring 2 taluks and borders of the district. People had come out of their houses as they had no clue about what happened. Shivamogga MP B.Y. Raghavendra too visited the spot and inquired with the locals about the incident.
10:10 ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಸ್ಫೋಟಕವಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಶಬ್ದ ಇಡೀ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ ನಗರ ಮತ್ತು ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲಿನ 2-3 ತಾಲೂಕು ಮತ್ತು ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕದ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಬಾರ್ಡ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಫೋಟಕ ಒಂದು ಶಬ್ದ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳಿಸಿದೆ. ರಾತ್ರಿ 10:10 ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಜನರು ಕೂಡ ಗಾಬರಿಯಾಗಿ ರಸ್ತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed his condolences to the families of those killed in the explosion and wished a speedy recovery to the injured. Police are probing the incident and details are awaited.